Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make cardamom mandazi. You can also use this recipe to make any other flavor that you want, that is lemon, cinnamon. It can still work. So these mandazi are soft and you can make them with ingredients that you already have in the house. Not so fine, but I know you get what I mean. After 10 minutes, you'll notice that the dough will no longer be sticking to your hands or to the surface, and when you press it, it will be soft. That means that your dough is now ready. So you're going to cover it, just lightly brush it with oil and then cover it with a kitchen towel and then let it rest for like 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, cut the dough into 4 pieces. So in the meantime, you can be heating your oil in the pan. And to check whether your oil is hot enough, I'm going to show you a little hack how I do that. So dip the rolling pin, or you can use a mwiko, inside the oil, and if you see that it forms bubbles, that means that your oil is hot enough. If your oil is too hot, your mandazis are going to burn, and if it is not hot enough, they are going to absorb the oil, so they're going to end up being so oily. So then drop in the mandazi pieces and cook on each side until they turn golden brown. Then you can turn and cook on the other side. So keep on turning and then cook for like 1 to 2 minutes. 2 minutes, they will be ready depending on the thickness of the pieces that you cut. Also, do not overcrowd your pan when you are making the mandazis. Once all the sides turn golden brown, you are going to remove them from the oil and put them in a bowl lined with paper towel. This helps to drain the excess oil on the mandazis. That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys are going to try out this recipe, and when you do, please tag me on my social media. The links are in the description box. Also, the written recipe is in the description box. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.